back at it again, working on my pattern. If you're working on fiberglass bags, be prepared to use a drill bit that you can throw away, because fiberglass is not fun to work with. Put your face mask on, that way you don't inhale all of it. But yeah, bag one, let's get it in. Well, we on day one. Wiring harness done. Deck. New grills, new highs. So yeah, tomorrow we should be on cut time. Yes, sir. Money's Car Stereo. Just getting ready to get it in. We finna go and go. That's what I'm talking about. Keeping it pushing. Good night. First initial turn on. Gonna run through a few songs and see what sounds, well, not for sounds, what adjustments need to be made, if any. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. It ain't over. It ain't over. Let's keep on pushing forward. That's right. I was sitting here and I saw a little phenomenon with the gauge on the bike. Watch this, y'all.
Like gotta know I wanna take away oxygen. Shorty won't get on her knees. I see him in her cheeks and regrow collagen. I was on East Town, I done been around work. Still with she just hate to be around your girl. When they eating, I'm on the interstate. Wholesale, Christian, never real, wanna get away. Wanna be a demon, I done pull up in a head. Can't long way away when we was sleeping on my half man. Like the rain, same place I went to jail at Carolina Street where I was supposed to get sales at. Touchdown, in the jet, seal up. Never said airfield, no clue. This not DBS. Bust down with the said skirt round. DBS. I done got a TV show and need to be on CDA. I'm retarded on call, she gon' see me, yeah. I'm retarded, I'm gon' see me, yeah. Do a nigga corner with a half-piece trap lead. Yes, Lord, walking like an athlete. Solid 10 diamonds, I forgot what I was wearing. Big booty, white bitch, looking at me, damn ring. Catch a vibe in Atlanta, run a couple earrings. Baby girl, stick it out, put it in the air, please. I'm a ship setting sail, oh, what you wear? I just got a labor check. I'ma get 100 bail. I'm Carolina, trying to come get a 20 back, get him with 100.
We gonna button this up. Pretty much stick a fork in this because this is pretty much done. Money's Car Stereo. Keeping it pushing. Now, hey y'all, it's pickup day. Hey man, hop up on there and turn that on, man. See what you're working with. It's early in the morning because we be having things to do around here.
I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the baddest bitch. Young nigga been focused on my check. Got a new tube wrapped around my neck. Trying to put the water on my potato. I got killers to the left of me.
It plays good on all stuff. Like I like this song too. When she start just go on one, they have a slow build up, but when she go in it, yeah, bitch, I like you, bitch. I was like, ugh. The key thing is when you play your music to stay clear. That's the whole goal.
Say, nigga, I don't wanna talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in they mouth. Say, bitch, I don't gotta care. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you want.
Check the bag work out, man. Check the bag work. Wow. I'll tell you, the goal is be loud and clear. Wow. We ain't worried about all that bass. The bass is gonna be, it's gonna be even. They're gonna be, they're gonna hear what you're saying, and all that. Everything. So we carved you up. Got your disconnect right there. Just one click and you out of there. Yeah. Same on the other side. It's a 2-click over there. But pop the bag over, man. What you got in that bag, man? It says you needed a 4X. I'm combinating everything up from large to 4X nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So put you in the game. Money's Car Stereo, and we in there.
We in there.
That's right. What that channel tag? Oh yeah, that's one in Pro Club. That's a real
one.
That's a real one. That's a real one.
Sure.
Yeah, right there, y'all.
Yeah.
Check your other side out. Let me tell you how it work over here. Okay, so it's simple.
Nice.
All you have to do is 2 hands. One hand here, one hand. Pull that one loose. Press the button right there.
Okay.
If it ever hangs up on you, this little tab right here sometime will hang up. Just bend that little tab back up because that's part of the locker mechanism.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. One-stop shop, easy peasy. You know.
I'm satisfied.
Much better than them tan bags you're looking at on the inside, you know what I'm saying?
Man, yeah.
Well, yeah, get your phone and we'll figure out how the Bluetooth hooks up to it and stuff. And we'll get you in there, man. Get you in and out the door. 'Cause I know you want to get out here. Even though it's cold, but I know you juice like, nigga, I need to see what this do. I'm going to ride this.
Right.
Money's Car Stereo. I'm just letting you see what I see. Does it work for you, my man?
Satisfied.
Hey,
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. We out of there.